Healthy thought. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. Generally, forgiveness defines as a conscious, deliberate decision to release feelings of resentment toward a person or group who has harmed you, regardless of whether they actually deserve your forgiveness. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting, nor does it mean allowing or excusing offenses. Forgiveness just means that you have made peace with the pain and you are ready to let it go. Forgiveness is not something we do for others, it's something we do for ourselves. Not forgiving someone is the equivalent of staying trapped in a jail cell of bitterness, serving time for someone else's crime. The negative consequences of not forgiving has been documented in studies that show that it can lead to emotional pain of anger, hate, hurt, resentment, bitterness, and so on. As a consequence, can create health issues, affect relationships, and stop us from experiencing the freedom that forgiveness enables. Forgiveness can even lead to feelings of understanding, empathy, and compassion for the one who hurt you. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the harm done to you or making up with the person who caused the harm. Forgiveness brings a kind of peace that helps you to go with life. It frees up your power, heals your body, mind, and spirit. Forgiveness opens up a pathway to new place of peace where you can persist despite what has happened to you. In order to forgive someone, you need to be able to deal with the hurt and anger you associate with them. Holding on to anger and hurt feelings can weigh you down and have a negative impact on your physical health, your overall happiness, and the quality of your relationships. That's why forgiveness is important to live happy and peaceful life. We ask for forgiveness, learn from our mistakes, and grow from the experience, just as we forgive others and help them to grow too. Practicing forgiveness can have powerful health benefits. Observational studies suggest that forgiveness is associated with lower levels of depression, anxiety, and anger, reduced substance abuse, higher self esteem, and greater life satisfaction. Working on forgiveness can help us increase our self esteem and give us a sense of inner strength and safety. It can reverse the lies that we often tell ourselves when someone has hurt us deeply. Lies like I am defeated or I am not good. Forgiveness can heal us and allow us to move on in life with meaning and purpose. The researchers have found that individuals who truly forgive experience increased in hopefulness, decreased anger, improved spiritual connection, increased self-confidence, improved relationships, and reduced stress, with corresponding enhancements to physical and mental health. Accept that it happened. Accept how you felt about it and how it made you react. In order to forgive, you need to acknowledge the reality of what occurred and how you were affected. Acknowledge the growth you experienced as a result of what happened. Forgiveness means giving up with the suffering of the past and being willing to create ahead with far greater potential for inner freedom. Besides the reward of letting go of a painful past, there are powerful health benefits that go hand in hand with the practice of forgiveness. That's why it's say forgiveness is best practice in spirituality. Forgiveness with the help of peace mantra, healing code, and prayer. One of the powerful Shanti mantra or peace mantra is Asato ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityor ma Amrutam Gamaya, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Anyone can chant 11 or 21 times. Healing code for forgiveness 334510101. Write anywhere on left side of body with the blue pen or chant as much as possible. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Think about a relationship in which you want to heal and repeat above 4 steps again and again. Anyone can do forgiveness with the help of peace mantra or healing code or prayer or as per their requirement.